see nothing.
I'm it now?
I see nothing.
Hi, Purple. No.
That's it. Come here.
He's just passing around the stupid flowers all over the
Get Magenta. Go for Magenta. Attack Magenta.
Shut up.
Magenta.
Stupid flowers.
Okay,
Black.
I'll teach you.
Yeah.
I'll teach you.
Where's Black? Attack.
Okay, so usually
bro.
you would probably do it this but you're supposed to do this. So you can
Oh.
just do that.
Are you the real Rax?
And you can taste that.
I swear, if you are, I'm subscribed.
Where are you?
Please be the real Rax, I swear.
So
Baby. Hey,
so
fist bump,
you
bro.
could just do it parallel from.
Now let's go attack the
Rax!
Yeah, like that.
Rax, while we're in the tutorials,
We know how to do that, but
Stuff is this kid's
we can go
phone.
on to pinch climbing.
there's no way.
Guys,
There's
you
no way.
should do pinch climbing.
Guys, you shouldn't do this.
Me.
You should do this. Instead of this. Look, you should do this.
Over there. Yeah.
Instead of this.
So basically,
It's like, it's bigger. See how big that is?
do this.
Oh.
It's true.
Stop, first I gotta get over.
Yeah, like this. Like that. Jump back
modern.
down. Jump back
Why
down.
is the
If
modern
you have your own Kelly, you should die.
Jump back down.
Yeah, because
Okay.
you watched me make her.
Hey!
Now you could do
I
this.
hate Kelly and Kelly because she's just weird.
You, good job.
Guys, he doesn't know how to walk climb.
Tag YouTubers are just weird. You hey, YouTube.
Rax!
You're
You're real.
What?
Lava monkey over here, buddy.
Swear, if you're not real,
Ow!
So now
That
it's
hurt.
branching.
talk if you're real.
So basically, where are you?
Ah, my hand's broken.
Where are you?
You don't have a mic?
Oh, come back down.
Yo,
So
why did
basically,
you
Please play this game. I hope you don't break your
trying
head.
to hop up on that tree branch.
is
No!
come.
Hey, I have the best hiding spot ever.
Oh, you're on a
Hide's up
computer?
there.
There's a lot of monkey right there. Just so you know.
Where is the place?
What code? What code?
It's magma. Right there.
It's right there. Right there.
What is it? I swear, if you're getting ambushed by lava monkeys again, you better.
Are you really?
So basically,
Hey, Dad. Yeah,
Hey, stop
I'm doing
saying
good.
that.
Are you really?
you could go up here.
This really is being
Can I have a screenshot? Can I have a screenshot?
Branch to branch.
No one will find me. Back out. You saw nothing.
I fell.
Why are you dragging me? I'm literally right behind you.
There's a blue one.
So basically, you would jump branch to branch.
Hey, by the way, he's actually a pro. He's just in the movie.
Where are you? Where are you?
He's actually good at the game, Cody Hat. He's actually good at the game. Don't trust him.
Dude, Rax is in here, guys.
I can't get up the stairs. Oh God. Okay.
Guys, Rax is in
How?
here.
Now you would
Guys, Rax is in here.
Yep. Just like that. Where are you? Where the heck are you?
You have
Who?
a long
Who are you looking for? That guy? Are you looking for this guy? Hey, 360 me. 360 no scope me.
Bro's a modder. Quit modding.
Now
You're
you
ruining
could
it.
no,
it's just called skill, man.
please and go
How do
to
you find and juke y'all like that? Like, come on, bro.
Oh, that is.
Tell me that's not a mod. You just use platforms. I watched it.
So yeah, that's branching.
Space planet.
Okay, I just landed on
Did we
another
get him?
branch again.
Did we get him?
Oh,
Apparently not.
no! use like if you use
I let them die. He just says,
yeah.
Me, purple.
What was the last Mikey?
There's a purple one on the ceiling.
What are you talking about? Black Ops 2 zombies?
I think Broski's on cocaine.
Wait, there's zombies for life?
on cocaine.
I just bring up violence.
Hey,
Broski, I think the purple one's on cocaine, guys.
They added zombies.
Hey, Purple, I listen to the game. You should better you.
What?
Get the purple one.
Hey, Purple, you should be nice. I just want to tell you. I just want to tell you. Let me touch you.
Get over here. Yeah, we got him. Good job, though. Hey, don't be a dick about it. Yeah, fist bump, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, fist bump, fist bump. Who's the 911?
Where the heck are you? You guys.
Not me.
Oh, yeah.
Black president. We must hide.
Mikey, I said the magma. You like the escape Mikey.
You know it. Let's go
What
on
are you running tag on the
Why do you tag of you?
You're at the game. Why do you like the leaves?
Bro, is he trying? Hey, bro, you messed.
Stop! God, no! He's trying to tag. Bro tried to juke me. See this statue? Blacky Boo, I wanna suck you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry up there. Hey guys, welcome back to the video today.
Here is the same like a synonym.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video today. Hey guys, welcome back to the video today. We are going to be playing some Girl Attack.
I don't know.
Subscribe.
I'm stuck.
I'm doing a free. I'm doing an Oculus Quest 2 giveaway.
I'm stuck. Help me.
Games with me.
That didn't work as well as I thought it
You
would.
guys,
I'm not going to try to tag you,
track
Purple.
of you.
So you come back.
What the heck?
Do you guys want to do mini games with
You
me?
did it, Broski.
Are you punk?
Fist bump, Broski. Yeah.
Want to do mini games with me? Mini games.
You guys, where are
No
you?
one.
Yo, can you teach me?
Rex.
Use
Rex.
Can you teach me? You guys.
Teach you the fist bump?
You want to do mini games? You want to do mini games?
Teach you the fist bump?
I do. I do. I'm gonna punch you now.
Miss Cow.
What is the code?
I got that.
Purple is the last one. What's the
Follow
code?
me.
Get purple.
Our
What
bomb.
else? Get purple.
Bang, 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 bang.
Go to
You
computer
guys.
though.
I can't find the new guy again.
What are we
I'm not calling the new guy.
We're going to do Lucky on Shelf and
Oh,
Eviction.
I know that game. I keep losing track of
Yeah,
the
just
new
type in my
guy.
name. But put a 2 at the end. Put a 2 at the end.
Wait, kill?
Yeah, put a 2.
Yo, can I do it? Can I do it?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Type in my name, but then put a 2 at the end. Type in my name. Type in my name. Type in my name. Type in my name, but put a 2 at the end. Okay, enter it. There's a person in there. There should.
Where's the last guy? Where's the new guy?
What new guy, bro?
And where's the new guy?
Who's the new guy?
Where's the
What color
new
he
guy?
What color he be?
I'm going to the... He was cyan. Look at that.
Is he the magenta one? Or is he
No,
one of
wait,
the,
someone
like,
teach me how to play.
1, 2...
Wait, who needs
Is he one of the
teaching?
8? Huh?
Me, I do. Who needs teaching? Me. Who's the one that needs teaching? Me, I do. You're the one who needs teaching?
I mean,
Okay,
kinda.
I got you. So do you walk like this right now, or do you do this?
I do the one finger. I do Uno finger.
Oh wait. You're supposed to do like that. Good. Wait, like that?
get them though.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna go do some more.
Good. Now, let's go on to
Can I tell you something?
Walter.
This is like the only map I can
I don't know what it's called. But basically, wait, we're not gonna do that yet. That's the next one. So now you could do this.
Phil.
Oh, why are you moaning like that? Nah.
Can I teach you? Can I teach you?
Where are you?
Can I teach you? Can I teach you? Can I teach you? Can I
I did it!
teach you? Can I
You
teach
guy,
you?
where
I
are
don't
you?
know, can you?
Yeah.
Did I do it? You guy, where are you?
I'm up.
Right
I'm
here.
right here.
Where's the
I
other
want to
one?
teach you. I want to teach you. I want to teach you.
There
I
is
want
no
to
You're right there.
I want to teach you. Can I teach you?
Hey, the one up there. Are you the one I was talking
Come on,
to?
come on. We're gonna go to a code so it's easier.
Yes. Okay. Now, pinch climbing.
Come on, we're gonna go to a cove.
It's purple.
Are
It's
you
the purple one.
I'm a hacker. I know how to make myself float.
How do you do that? Purple, how do you do that? Yeah, we got him. We got him, boys. Who's